Now here the difference between writing the data into file is we can see visibly there are 4 characters written into file. One is 5 digit and ABC 3 characters, but no, actually it will write 42 bytes of data, that is 42 characters of data into the file. So the data copied into the file will not be as it appears on a screen, it will be as it appears in the memory. See, variable S will appear as 42 bytes of block into memory, whatever data it consists of. So that entire 42 bytes of data will be copied into the file. Now let's see next function. The function name is fread. It is used to do the exact opposite task. Reads multiple blocks of data from file into our program. Syntax is again exactly same, only it does opposite job. The syntax is fread takes first address of a data block where you want to copy the data, then S is size of each block, N mentions number of blocks to be read from file, and file handle mentions the file pointer, that is file reference from where you are going to read the data. In short, we can say reads n blocks each of S size from file and copies data at the address given by the pointer. Okay, now let's see the working over here. In our program, we defined fp as a file pointer. We have defined structure S variable, which is obviously 42 bytes. It is empty. Structure student is already defined over here as in the previous case. Now we'll open a file using file pointer. Obviously cursor will be placed at the beginning of the file. Assume there is some data in the file stored, which is suppose structured data only. Now you have to read that data from a file into our program. So you have to mention command as fread. You have to mention the address of the variable where you have to read data, that is you have to take data from here into our program. So you have to mention the address of the variable in which you are going to read data, then size of the data block, that is 42 bytes, that is size of S, then how many blocks you have to read is only one block, and fp mentions the file handle. So this is going to copy 42 bytes of data from file into structure S. Suppose number stored was 5 and name stored was ABC, that will be copied into structure properly as 2 different variables. And now this data we can process further in our program. So fwrite is used to copy multiple blocks of variables, that is multiple variables from program into the file, and fread is used to copy multiple variables or single variable from file into program. The variables can be int or float or structure, any kind of data. Especially it is used for structures. You can see if this is one student record, there can be multiple students records stored into the file with number and name, number and name, number and name. I can give this command fread multiple times to read first record, second record, third record, fourth record from file. Same way I can use fwrite function to copy multiple records of student into the file and store it permanently into the file. So that will work like my database is like an Excel sheet where you store number, name, salary of employee, or roll number, name, marks of students. Like that it will work like a file, will work like a complete tabular arrangement of data where there will be multiple fields stored in the form of number and name. Thank you.